to MorewaTV. It's your girl Morewa, and today we're going to prepare healthy natural smoothie. Hope you're all staying well and watching my videos at home during this lockdown period. So today we're going to prepare a healthy natural smoothie with watermelon, banana, pineapple, some dates, and milk. Please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section if you love my videos and what other videos we should post next. I have peeled my pineapples and diced it into cubes, as you can see right here. And now I have removed the hard stalk in the middle of the pineapple. The reason why I removed this hard stalk is so that it will bring the smoothie smooth. Now it is time for me to peel the banana and dice it into circles. Now we peel it. And please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. So now it is time to dice it into circles. It's good to use soft and smooth banana for smoothies so that the smoothie can turn out soft and smooth. So now I continue cutting my bananas. And please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. And please don't forget to comment in the comment section and like. So now we cut our bananas into the bowl. Now it is time to blend. Next, we add our milk into the blender before adding our fruits. First, we add 1 cup of milk. Then, now we can add our watermelon. Add our watermelon into the milk. And please don't forget to wash your hands before touching the fruit. And please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. Now we can add our bananas into it. It's looking delicious. Now continue adding more bananas. You can add as many as you want. It depends on the quantity you are preparing. Now we can add our pineapples. So now we continue adding our pineapples. Please don't forget to not add too much so that it will not overflow. Now it is time to blend. Don't forget to add your dates and your date water into it, just to sweeten it. Now everything is blending in together, as you can see. And please don't forget to soak your dates for 24 hours, and after that you remove your seeds. It looks delicious. It's going to turn out very yummy. So please don't forget to try this out at home. It's going to be tasty, it's going to be yummy. Before you start this, you need to soak your dates for 24 hours. After soaking it, you can now remove your seeds. Now it is fully ready. Now it is time to serve in a glass. And please don't forget to try this out at home. It's going to be yummy. Smoothie is great for the body. It's highly nutritious. It has vitamins and minerals. Please don't forget to subscribe, give my video a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. Now it is time to serve it. First we open it, and now it is time to serve it into a glass. Looks so yummy. Now I can taste it. It tastes so nice. You better try this out at home. Adults love it, kids love it. It's very highly nutritious and it's very yummy. So please don't forget to subscribe, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section. See you guys next time. Bye.